lesson. What is our first lesson name? First lesson name is our food. So now we are going to which lesson? Second lesson. Uses of plants and animals. What are the uses of plants and animals? Plants and animals of human beings. So here observe that what is the uses of plants and what is the uses of animals. So today we are discussing about only uses of plants. But small thing for you. How can we imagine our life without animals and plants? Without animals and plants, how can we imagine our life? We cannot say that. Why? Because our world is nothing without of green trees, fishes, wild animals, forests, and insects, microbes, and other. That means we cannot imagine our life without of animals and plants. We can't say that. So here humans are dependent on plants and animals is directly or indirectly. Why? Because food is our basic need. So human beings are depending upon plants and animals. Some are directly depend on it and some are indirectly. So but nowadays our human beings are build factories on that world. In the world we are build factories and create pollutions also. So here we care about of what is that plants and animals. First in this lesson, first we are going to uses of plants only. These are the two parts. First part uses of plants. What are the uses of plants? First see that uses of plants. So what are the uses of plants here? Here discussing about the some matter. Food, vegetables, perfume, goods, cotton, medicines. You know, these are coming from plants. Food, vegetables, perfume, that means smell, and woods, cotton means that making say cloth, medicines. So first we are discussing about that food. You know, food is our basic need. Food is our basic need. So plants are very useful to us. Why? Because plants give us food. Plants give us food. See in your textbook page number 11, children. Food. Plants are very useful to us and we get most of our food from plants. And everybody needs food to live. Food is one of our basic need. Children, why? Because food is our basic need. Why? Because food gives us energy to work. Energy to work. Most of our food comes from plants. So, for example, plants give us many things. What are the many things? Vegetables giving food, fruits, vegetables, leaves, stems, flowers. Flowers also giving us or not? So, plants give us what are that? Roots, leaves, what are that? Roots, leaves, and stems, flowers, fruits of plants. So plants give us roots. Say some roots. Root vegetables are what are that? Root vegetables are what are that? Potato, carrot, beetroot. And leaves are spinach, coriander, and mint. Some leafy vegetables. Stems. So here stems are some like only that is a drumsticks like a vegetable. And flowers. jasmine, rose. Fruits, mango, apple, banana. All are coming from only plants. So, plants give us roots, leaves, stems, flowers, fruits. So, here observe in your textbook, leaves and stems. What are the leaves and stems? Celery, lettuce, silver, bean. You know cabbage? Cabbage is all are leafy vegetable, leaf pods. But here leaves are all are together, that like a stem. So here are leaves, stems, flowers, fruits. So roots, potatoes, carrot, beetroot, and seeds are, what are the seeds? Oh, you know that seeds also. Seeds also give us food. Why? Because we are taking the rice from paddy or not. So paddy is one like a seed. Wheat, paddy, cereals, pulses, walnuts, groundnuts. Now we are going to the vegetables. What are the vegetables? Vegetables also coming from plants or not? So vegetables are, what are that? Beetroot, turnip, lady's finger, tomato, potato, all are vegetables. Here, what are the vegetables? Turn the paper, page number 12, observe that. What are that? Beetroot. I am write only some only. Beetroot, tomato, turnip, spinach, these are etc. So here the vegetables are also uses of plants. Why? Because beetroot, tomato, turnip, spinach, ladyfingers. So these are the etc. These are coming from plants. Now we are going to the perfume. What is perfume? Smell. That is a good smell for you. That is called a perfume. So here perfume, some perfumes take their name from their ingredients. Suppose you look at the jasmine. You know the jasmine flower? So jasmine flower, that ingredient jasmine flavor. And other like is here amaryllis and lavender. These are the perfumes. What are the perfumes here? Here look only, observe that jasmine, amaryllis, lavender. Here jasmine is one of the flower. It gives us good perfume to us. If you take that more jasmine flavor, that gives us only vomitings or headaches. Now we are going to the amaryllis. Amaryllis means here amaryllis is substitute of that one of that flower is sandalwood. What is that? Sandalwood. Here sandalwood is perfume that amaryllis. You know the sandal. And lavender. What is lavender here? The lavender plant is name of purple flower. Purple blue flower. Purple blue flower. It gives us lavender perfume. So here perfume jasmine, amaryllis, lavender, purple blue flower. So jasmine is coming from, jasmine gives us a jasmine flavor, and amaryllis is coming from the perfume of sandalwood, and lavender is a purple blue flower. Now we are going to the woods. Wood. So here woods are, we are taking about the two types of wood. Teak wood and that another is sesame. Sesame. These are the two types. Teak wood and sesame. So here teak wood is essential sources from that Tectona grandis. Tectona grandis tree. Teak wood is coming from Tectona hardwood. This wood is making doors, windows, tables, etc. And another wood name is Sesame grandis. What is that? Sesame. Sesame. This is also hardwood, but this is the one of the type of wood. These are the two types of wood: teakwood and sesame. So many are there, but especially we are going to the teakwood and sesame. So teakwood is coming that hardwood from Tectona grandis. So it is that turning of also commonly window frames and beams, columns. Now sesame is essentially type of rosewood. It is so it is sourced of see that sesame, Dalbergia Cisso spices. Dalbergia Cisso spices. So which is it is also coming with that rosewood. That name is Dalbergia Cisso. So sesame is also used to make veneers and plywood. Plywood also. Now we are going to, the plywood. Plywood, chairs, doors, tables, cots, windows, all are to making that from teakwood or sesame. These are the two are hardwoods. Now we are going to the cotton. So what is that? Cotton. Cotton is coming from plant. Cotton. Cotton is coming from only plant. That is cotton plant. Cotton is coming from cotton plant. So here cotton is mechanically we are using it directly. We cannot use that cotton from cotton plants. Why? Because that gives us only spongy type of material. Then that mechanically we are changing into a threads. After we make that cloths. Directly we can't use that. And here some pillows are directly we are using that cotton. Why? Because the cotton have also with seeds. We are separately by using of factories. And after mechanically we are using that threads. After we make that cloth. So here cloths. Now here cotton hemp. What is that? Hemp coming from cannabis type. Not only cotton. Here that first we are going to the cloth. This is the cloths. So cloths, cotton and hemp. Hemp is coming from cannabis sativa. Cannabis sativa. So we are sign suitable for clothing of hemp. And flax. Cotton after what is that? Flax. So flax grow is height of 4 feet that consists of long tough fiber. See in your textbook page number 13 children. See that cotton is coming from a cotton plant. We are observing only cloth. So cotton is, first we are going to that cotton. Cotton is coming from a cotton plant. After mechanically we are making that threads. They are woven to make a cloth which can be dyed. See, observe that these are the cloths. And hemp. Hemp coming from cannabis sativa. It is used to make ancient times. This hemp is more useful. Now flax. Flax goes to height of 4 feet. Leaves that consist of long tough fibers. Flax has been used. This is also ancient times to make that clothing. Now we are going to that medicines. What are that? Medicines. Many medicines we use diseases. Yes or no? So medicines also coming from plant. So the like what are our diseases like say some cancer, heart problems, blood pressure, BP means blood pressure and so many. So mentally we are using that gives us plants some medicines also. So here through that Indian medical plants are essence of Ayurveda and Ayurvedic treatments. You know that Ayurveda and Ayurvedic treatments, that means the medicines are made from plants only. That is called only plants directly. So, here observe that their role cannot be confined to mere cativa of disease, but they are also using to be human beings body. And a list of medical plants. Here list of medical plants isn't that? What are the medical plants? Drumstick. You know the drumstick? Drumstick leaves also using medicines. And hummingbird tree leaves, radish leaves, hummingbird tree leaves and radish leaves, spinach, Indian spinach and mint leaves, little hogweed leaves, Amarnathas, green Amarnathas, spleen Amarnath. These are the medicines list of medicine plants. Children, today we are learning uses of plants. Tomorrow we are discussing about the uses of animals. Thank you children. Have a nice day.